1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Hold down. Oh, you got my socks on. Yeah, get my pants. Oh, they're all on me. I need my belt. I'm gonna need a nice jacket belt. Oh, it's a good one. But nah, I like that one. No, how about this one? No. Oh, there it is. I'm all the way. Oh, man, steps. I like steps. I want to some steps. I'm gonna take a seat. Oh, I need a haircut though. I can't go outside with a haircut. Fresh. Gotta look fresh. Okay, no. Okay. I'm gonna make some bread, I guess. It's good bread. I'll break it. Looks delicious. Oh, it's already done already? Okay. No. Oh, just gotta play it. Oh, Lord. I know. It's broke for me. I need butter though. Yeah. Nice butter. Oh, what's it doing? Oh, wow. It's down here. Playing a little ping pong. Oh, it's gone already. I'll put down and eat it. Tastes so good. Yeah. Let's go. I gotta go outside, of course. I mean, I'll pick a black car today and drop off. Alright. What's going on? Let's go dance. I'll dance like that. I don't know. I like this. Hey, I'm a sandwich. You stay with me. Okay. I might as well walk outside, though, because I like this place. Oh, it looks good. Than that car. It's a big red car. It's a big world there. I'm walking down the street. People talking in the background. Look at that. What's he gonna do? Oh, watch out for that tape. Oh, it's a snake. Snake. Oh, it's gone. Okay, I'm gonna walk ahead. So put my hands in the pocket. Jump. Nice jump. Nice land that one. 10 points. Oh, I fell down again, as usual. My head hurts. But I'm getting up. I'm good. Let's go. Shake it off. Oh, fast. Look at I'm ice skating now. Look. Nice stop. Good turn. So, what's this wall here? Oh, connects. Splat. Look at this. Oh, splat. Turn that one. Turn it upside down. There you go. Splat. Ching. Nice. Okay, bring that around. Take the side. Splat. Yeah, turn a little bit. Splat. Suck it down there. Oh, you're gonna complete this one, aren't you? Splat. Oh, upside down. Oh, you got the line. Ding. Oh, where'd it go? I was playing. Alright, I'll put my hand in my pocket.
Hey, give me your buddy.
I'm running. I'm walking down the road. I like to walk. And so, a square. I like squares.
Hey, how you doing?
Sonic. I almost play all of them. I guess Pac-Man. Pac-Man is.
Goodbye.
Look in the camera for a bit. So crazy. Oh, there it is. A nice over the shoulder shot. Back in front here. Yeah. Oh yeah. Angry now. Yep. What's happened there? Oh, put on the lights. I like nightlife. Oh yeah. Get my groove on. Yeah. Oh, some fly biddies. What are we gonna do about that? I just slide across. Just keep running. Just slide across. And there's a big building.
Well, hey, how you doing?
Hey, nice to meet you. Wow, what are you doing? Loud windows. Hey, turn the lights here. Let's on. Yeah, sit down. No, I gotta pick one. I only pick one. Leave me alone. I'm trying to pick one. Pac-Man. Okay, Atari. Hard. Atari. Yeah. Oh, let's change the game out. Ting. Oh, there's an old computer screen. But, yeah, look at
Square, Pac-Man, swoop. Fade to black. Oh boy. Well, yeah, I like the movie. It's pretty good. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. He likes it. Oh, we gotta get that. This one, boy. Well,